Welcome to this new lecture. Today's topic is stemming. In most language cases, word get word get transformed into various forms when being used in a sentence. For example, the word product might get transformed into protection when referring to the process of making something or transformed into products in plural form. It is necessary to convert those words into their base forms as they carry the same meaning in any case. Stemming is the process that helps us to do so. If we look at the following figure, we get a perfect idea of how words get transformed into their base form. Production feed into the stemming process and the output will be its base form product. Similarly, a plural form of a word products feed into stemming process and then we will get we get product which is its base form. Now we'll do an exercise to understand the whole concept of stemming. In this exercise, we will pass a few words through the stemming process so that they get converted into their base forms. Step 1. Open a Jupyter or Colab notebook, and in step 2 import the necessary library from NLTK. Import stem package. Now pass the following words as parameter to the stem method. Define a function get underscore stems and pass two parameters word and stemmer. Word is our word which is needed to convert into it convert into its base forms, and stemmer is the algorithm which has to stem the word into its base form. Return stemmer dot stem, call the function stem and pass the word, and then we declare a variable or make a variable portal stem and stem dot portal stemmer. Portal stemmer is an algorithm which is used for stemming process. When the input is production, the following output is generated. Get underscore stem, pass the value of production, and then pass the algorithm portal stem. So run the cell, this cell, you can see that production is converted into its base form product. Similarly, we see some more examples. Stem get underscore stem, call the function get underscore stems and pass a word coming and pass a portal stem algorithm and then run the cell, and we see coming is converted into its base form come. Similarly, we see another word. We can see another word or convert an other word firing into its base form. So call the get underscore stem functions again and pass the word firing to convert into its base forms and pass the portal stem algorithm to convert the word into its base form. Fire is the base form of fire. Get underscore stems and call the get underscore stem function. Battling is our word which is needed to convert into its base form and port stem algorithm. Okay, that's great. And lastly, we see another example. I think this is a okay. Stem dot snowball stemmer English get underscore stem. Actually, snowball is an other algorithm which are used to convert the base convert a word into its base form. or used for stemming process. So there are, it's mean we can use different algorithms or there are available different algorithms which are used for stemming process. So thank you very much. See you in the next lecture for another topic of natural language processing.